And a scotch and water.
You need to get
Get
your
away!
ass in gear.
Get away, you evil fucking person with that camera! Mike, what happened to your other pussy? Huh? What happened to your other pussy in the window?
Oh, this is never pretty.
Decorating sense is always key. Get away, you...
Come on!
How are you, gorgeous?
Good, how are you?
Oh, God.
Okay, I guess he got them out. I don't know what he wagged in front of their face, but he got
I didn't wag nothing, I just said get your ass up.
It was the camera.
It's almost time for this. I just turned the camera on.
That would wake me up.
Woo! You going to the show?
Yeah, we're gonna show.
Oh, Lordy Lord. I'm still having a problem swallowing now. I mean, Mike and Donnie, whatever.
33 years together.
Video.
Is it really? 33 years.
Shit happens.
Hell.
This is the Kennedy compound.
Oh my God, it's a video? Do you want to do a video with me? We'll give Jeff the camera.
No.
But there's no
This
video
man
of you. You're gonna have to give me the camera.
is with
take a video of
this
you.
poor man.
Do you have night vision on that?
No.
I'll try to swallow it.
What, the camera?
No, that.
All right, so this is the pre-show. We're waiting.
Oh.
We're waiting to go to the show.
We're waiting to go to the show, and we're
waiting on
we're
these
accosting
clowns.
Glen, and
Jeff, get in the truck.
get in the truck.
Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Let's go.
Come on, bitches! Oh, he's peeing. Get him in the back window. Run to the back window.
Come on, it's time to go. Oh my!
Oh, get away! Motherfucking queen!
You can't see it here. Is there a light?
No, we don't have.